Find a place to sit or lie down. Bring your attention to your breathing. Take a breath in and let it go. And again, take a breath in and let it go. Let all thoughts slip away from you. If thoughts do arise, as they will, let them pass like a cloud in the sky and go back to bringing your attention to your breath. Notice when you do this, how your body starts to relax and your mind starts to settle. Close your eyes and relax. See yourself getting up and walking into a grassy clearing. The grass is soft and cool beneath your bare feet as you walk across it. The sun is warm but not hot on your skin, and there's a light breeze ruffling your hair. As you walk along, feeling at peace, you notice the sound of the birds singing, and you can hear a stream tinkling its way down from the mountain. You think to yourself, I'm going to find that stream, and you walk through the grassy field until you can see the stream, walking along the bank of the stream. You follow it until you find that the stream has formed a shallow pool. You decide to go in the pool. You step in and feel the cool of the water against your skin. You settle down and sit in the water, and all around you the birds are singing, the sun is shining, and you feel at peace. This is your time, your place. You look up, and the trees overhead form a canopy with their branches and leaves, and the sun filters through the gaps in the leaves and forms dapples of light over your skin and on the surface of the water. All is quiet. There is no one else here but you and the trees and the birds and the insects in the grass, crickets chirping, and you feel a deep sense of calm and serenity around you. Along the banks of the river there are wildflowers, multitudes of them, reaching out as far as you can see into the forest, and all colours, pinks and purples, blues, orange, white, and you marvel at the colours. In the distance around you, the mountains and hills roll back, covered in trees, and you feel how fortunate you are to be sitting in this quiet pool, in this beautiful place. All your worries and cares float away with the water that is flowing down over your body and into the distance. And it's so peaceful and quiet as you sit here and soak in the sights and sounds and peace and solitude of this wonderful place. As you look along the surface of the water, a dragonfly alights, and you marvel at the colours, bright iridescent green, And you think, what a wonderful creature, as it scoops along the surface of the water looking for insects. It seems to complete your day. Sit here in this wonderful place and let the peace and quietude wash over you. Soon you notice that the dragonfly has flitted away, and you realize it's time to leave this beautiful place. And although this interlude of peace has been brief, you know that you can return to this place any time you wish. As you stand up and walk out of the water, seeing the water stream down your body and go back into the stream, you walk up onto the banking and along the grass of the field, feeling completely at peace. The breeze seems to whisper in the trees, saying, come back soon, as you make your slow way back to your seat. And you sit down, feeling completely at ease. Take a deeper breath in now, and breathe it away. And again, take a breath in, and breathe it away. And slowly, and in your own time, open your eyes and come back to your body, to the space, to your life, knowing that you can come back anytime you wish and do this mindful meditation again and again. Thank you.